Today, we're diving into an app that's been creating quite a buzz, Snaptroid.vip. This app claims to give you access to private Snapchat data like best friends lists, chat history, and even My Eyes only content. But the real question is, does it actually work? Or is it just another scam? Let's find out. At first glance, an app that promises to reveal private Snapchat data might sound tempting. But with a little common sense, it's easy to see the cracks. Think about it. Snapchat has some of the most robust security measures in place. It's highly unlikely that a third-party app could bypass these security features and access such sensitive information. The idea just doesn't hold up. So, how does Snaptroid.vip work? Well, once you visit the site, it asks for the Snapchat username of the person whose data you want to access. After entering the username, the site appears to load the data. But just when it's supposed to reveal the private content, you're hit with a Captcha. This isn't your typical Captcha, though. Instead of a simple verification, it asks you to download additional apps, start free trials, or even listen to podcast episodes. That's when you know something isn't right. If you've done some research, you might have come across discussions on Reddit where users have flagged Snaptroid.vip as a scam. So, why would anyone create such an app? There are two likely reasons. First, the developers could be making money through ad revenue. Every time you download an app or sign up for a trial, they earn a small commission. Second, they could be tricking you into downloading malware. Once installed, this malware could steal your personal information, which might then be sold to other parties. So, what's the bottom line? Snaptroid.vip is clearly a scam. It's designed to exploit your curiosity and promises things it can't deliver. On top of that, it poses a serious risk to your personal data and online security. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you ever come across apps like Snaptroid.vip, the best thing to do is steer clear. Always prioritize your online safety and think twice before entering personal information or downloading anything from unverified sources.